Hey guys, welcome back to How to PC. If the battery percentage is missing from your phone's status bar, it can be really annoying when you want to see how much charge is actually left. The good news? It's easy to fix, and I'll show you how to do it on Realme, OPPO, Vivo, OnePlus, and stock Android phones. First, if you're using Realme, OPPO, Vivo, or OnePlus, open Settings, then tap on Notifications and Quick Settings. Now go to Status Bar, and here you'll see the option to enable battery percentage. Just turn on the toggle, and the percentage will start showing in the top right corner of your screen. Now, if you're using a stock Android phone like Pixel, Motorola, or Nokia, open Settings, tap on Battery, and then enable the battery percentage toggle. And that's it. No matter which phone you use, your battery percentage is now visible in the status bar. It's a small change, but super useful for keeping track of your battery health. If this helped you out, give it a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to How to PC for more quick Android tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.